What's up, guys? Your boy Umar Khan. Today I'm going to be unboxing this crypto.com Visa credit card. It's actually a prepaid Visa card. Guys, I was so excited for this to come in the mail. I've legit been waiting weeks for this. I believe I applied for this at least 4 or 5 weeks back, and guys, it came in this little white envelope, and when I saw it, I knew right away. I knew the shape. I knew right away. I'm like, my crypto card is finally here. I was legit so excited for this. So let's actually go ahead and open it up. I'll open up with you guys at home watching, hopefully waiting for your cards as well, because I remember when I was waiting, I watched a couple of these myself. So you just bust this open and it just slides out. Okay, this slides out like this. Is a pull tab. Yeah, okay. It's real cool. It's real cool. It's cool. Focus. That is so dope. That is so dope. You guys can see in the light. This is my first metal card. Oh my god, it feels so premium, guys. Holy smokes. Oh my god, guys. Oh, it sounds like plastic, but it feels like metal. It's supposed to be metal. I don't my feet here. It's like, guys, it's like a metal, but it's like the back is plastic, but the front is like a metal plate on here, and it doesn't sound like it, but guys, look at this beauty. Guys, it is a phenomenal piece of art. I am so excited. I know some of you guys at home are getting these as well, and I'm very excited for you. It shines in the metal. It's gonna feel so premium in my collection of cards. And the cool thing is, this card is gonna give me 2% cash back on every transaction I pay with this card for, but also not just cash back, but it's gonna pay for my Spotify. So this is not a crypto.com sponsored video, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about crypto.com. I'm sure most of you guys know, but if you guys just clicked on this video because you're a subscriber and not familiar, so essentially, guys, all you need to do is you need to sign up for crypto.com, and you need to stake some. You need to buy CRO, their native coin. You need to stake it, and for this red card in particular, you just need $400 US, and you get 2% cash back and 100% Spotify reimbursement. The base card requires no staking, and you still get 1% cash back, but none of the extra benefits. My next one I'm going to go to is I'm going to stake $4,000 to get that Netflix and that next upper tier of cards. So guys, I'm really excited about this one, and if you guys are interested, what I'll do is I'll put my affiliate code below. If you sign up, you get $25 worth of CRO if you actually go ahead and apply for this card. And guys, this card is actually so beautiful, and oh my god, it's worth the wait. I'll say that. I'm very excited for this one. So that's basically it for this video, folks. As you see, the card did come out really cool. Just a little unboxing video. If you guys haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I post anywhere from 2 to 6 crypto videos daily, whether that be crypto videos on CRO, crypto.com, NFT related videos, or hype coins, meme coins, all of that. So if you want to stay tuned with the latest and greatest crypto content, make sure you subscribe. Until next time, guys, only invest the money you're willing to lose. It's your boy Umar. Peace.